Hey, did you hear about the Halloween party on Saturday?
Yes, I did. Are you going?
Of course. I love Halloween. It's my favorite holiday. What about you?
I think it's fun, but I don't usually dress up. I never know what costume to wear.
You don't have a costume yet? You should get one soon. The party is in 3 days.
I know, I'm still thinking, what are you going to wear?
I'm going as a vampire this year. I already bought the fangs, a black cape, and some fake blood. It's going to be awesome.
That sounds scary. I don't think I want a scary costume. Maybe I'll go as something funny, like a clown or a pumpkin.
A pumpkin? That could be funny. You could paint your face orange and wear a big round costume. Everyone will love it.
Yeah, I think it would be easy to make, but I'm not sure. Do you think people will like it?
Definitely. Halloween is all about having fun. It doesn't matter if your costume is scary, funny, or cute. Everyone just wants to enjoy the night.
That's true. I remember last year someone came as a giant banana. It was so funny.
Yeah, I remember that. He couldn't even sit down because the costume was too big. It was hilarious.
Right. Maybe I'll go with something easy to move in. What time does the party start?
The party starts at 8 p.m., but I think we should go a bit earlier. I heard they're going to have a costume contest at 9 p.m., and I want to make sure we get there in time.
A costume contest? That sounds fun. Do you think you'll win?
I hope so. I've been planning my vampire costume for weeks. I even practiced my vampire makeup last weekend.
That's serious dedication. Maybe I should try harder with my costume too. Do you think I could win with a pumpkin outfit?
Sure, it depends on how creative it is. You could add some funny details, like putting lights inside your pumpkin costume so it glows in the dark.
Oh, that's a great idea. I never thought about that. I could even make a pumpkin hat.
Now you're thinking, we're going to have the best costumes at the party.
I hope so. Do you know who else is going to the party?
Yeah, I think most of our friends are going. Hannah said she's going as a witch, and Carl is dressing up as a werewolf.
Hannah always has the best costumes. Remember when she dressed as a zombie last year? It was so realistic.
Yeah, she loves Halloween too. She always goes all out with her costumes. I think she even bought a broom for her witch costume this year.
Wow, she really gets into it. Do you think we should bring anything to the party, like food or drinks?
I think it's a potluck, so it's a good idea to bring something. Maybe we can make some Halloween themed snacks. How about cupcakes with orange frosting and little ghosts on top?
That sounds delicious. I can help with the decorations. I'm not the best at baking, though.
No worries, I can handle the baking. We can decorate them together. It'll be fun.
Great. I'll bring the frosting and some candy to put on top. I saw some Halloween candy at the store yesterday. Chocolates shaped like bats and pumpkin.
Perfect. The cupcakes will look amazing, and they'll be great for the party. Everyone loves sweets on Halloween.
Yeah, especially the kids. Do you think there will be trick-or-treaters?
Maybe. If we leave early, we might miss them, but we can always leave a bowl of candy outside the door.
Good idea. I remember when I was little, trick-or-treating was my favorite part of Halloween. I loved getting all the candy.
Same. I used to plan my route to get the most candy. I even traded with my friends at the end of the night.
Ha ha, me too. Those were the days. Now I just enjoy dressing up and going to parties.
Exactly. It's still fun, just in a different way. So, are you excited about the party now?
Yes, I am. I wasn't sure at first, but now I'm really looking forward to it. I just need to finish my costume and help with the cupcakes.
Don't worry, we'll have everything ready in time. This is going to be a Halloween to remember.
I hope so. Let's make it the best party ever.